This video is how to fetch multiple delivery rates in Odoo at once, and then being able to select the one that you want to go with and process the delivery. It's a custom development in Odoo. Let's jump into it. So we're going to start by creating our sales order. This can be created from an EDI connection. This can be created from a B2B e-commerce page. This can also be created by a salesperson. So there's multiple ways to do it automatically as well as manually. We're going to add I'm actually going to use our cabinet with doors. We can see the quantity here we have on hand, available 8 units. Going to confirm this order. We can see the 2 pickings in delivery order associated with this here, and we can click into it from here. We can also see in inventory those as well. So we see we have one to process here to pick. We can click in and pick it from here. We can also select and print it from the sheet here, picking operations. If I wanted to use commands on the keyboard, I could as well. So if I click Alt, I can see all the different commands. So if I wanted to select the next one, I could definitely do that with the keyboard commands. I could also click into it. So that's a good way to be able to know what commands there are. There's also a list of it on our website. From here, I clicked into our picking, and we can then pick this order off the shelf. I'm going to validate the picking. And now when we go back to the dashboard, we see that we have no more to pick, but now the person who's actually processing the labels and printing those labels and sending them out of the warehouse, they'll see their orders here once the person who was responsible for picking completes the picking. So we now see we have that picking here, and we now see that we can shop carriers. If I click shop carriers, I can select what rate I want to get. So I can select UPS, I can select UPS or US Postal. I could select other delivery charges. I'm going to do UPS US and confirm. And then that updates my shipping cost. I can weigh my package here, and then I can validate the order as well. So I would weigh it first, select my rate, and then apply. And now we have that label printed here. This can be automatically sent to your printer. And then we also pull the tracking reference. So if we click here, we can actually go directly and track that order if necessary. And it also, when we go to the customer's dashboard, we see the tracking reference here. It updates it on their customer portal. So if we go back to the order we just created, we can go to the customer preview, and the order they just purchased, they can actually see their tracking reference here, as well as the status of their orders is shipped and not in preparation. And so that way customers can keep track of their own orders from their portal. Thanks for watching.